Hello, my name is Angelico. I'm back again, woman of good news, and today I'm going to teach you how to dance like really African. And the good news is I'm going to use English. Though my English is not so good, but I'm going to use English. I'll start showing you by the way how you can wind your waist slowly, like real Africans. Make sure you bend down a little bit to make everything look good. You have to bend down a little bit, and then after bending down, you have to wind. Use your upper body and your waist. Just simple like that. Simple like that. I can even turn and see what's really happening there. Just remember you have to bend down a little bit and then you wind. You just wind your waist. Simple. You can use all your upper body to make everything look good. So today we are going to do like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like number 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. And the most thing you have to remember, you have to give your own expression to make everything looks good. So when you're dancing, like you have to feel it bend down. You have to tip on your toes like that when you're bending down, and then do it like this. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple like that. And then you can go 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, you go 5, 6, 7, 8. After winding, the other step goes like this. You start stepping with your right leg, and then the other leg comes. So you go 1, 2. But here on your waist, you do it 1, 2. The same time when you're doing only one step and then you are hip 1, 2. But when you're stepping, you do the hip 1 and then other side. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, step, another leg comes. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So starting with your right leg and then you go left leg. This side. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try it from the top, from the winding. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time I'm gonna teach you the pogo style or leg work. And this one you have to do it. So it's look like this. You can even do this, you can even do this and this. Or you can even, this is called Galala. So I'm gonna teach you both of that styles. Simply you can call them leg work. Many Africans use it. And this style came from Nigeria. So let's try with this one. So let me go this side. This is my left leg. And then you step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Using your toes to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you don't have to make your leg look like this. You have to use your toes. You're only gonna dance with your toes. So 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. So before 1, 2, 3, 4, what's happening is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you step, you come back. So you start with right and then left and then right leg comes back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're just gonna add the speed. So let's try 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can even turn this side. You can even come here and turn this side. So today we're gonna do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's start from the top. From the top slowly. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You grind 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me add something for you. When you're turning this side, you can even use your arms like you are shooting somebody. So let's try from 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 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 turn. To make this style look perfect, you have to use your shoulders. Shake your shoulder like me. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's start again from the top slowly. 5, 6, 7, let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend, where, aya, where, aya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, I'm gonna teach you how to do the Galala move from Nigeria. So this one, it's da 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 da. So this is how the style looks like when you dance. Da 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 da. So the same thing when you're doing da 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 da. But this time you have to put your legs like this, and then do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just here. You don't have to push your leg back. So this time you go step, 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 step. But remember, you have to bend down and dance using your toes. You don't have to use your feet like this. Use your toes. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, when you do 1, 2, 3, 4, you can roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. 4 times. So let's try from the top slowly. How to dance like little Africans. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Yeah, yeah. We'll go dance. Yeah, yeah. Turn, turn. Hey, hey. Galala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. I'm gonna teach you some more from Ghana. They call it azonto maybe. Yeah. Let's go with azonto. So this one we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you step. You starting with your light leg. You go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you step, 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 step. So make sure when you step, the other leg comes. You don't have to do the same leg all the time. So you go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We good? From here you have to add your arms like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. And then let's start from the top slowly. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Bend down. Go. Hey. Hey. Shoot somebody. Let's go. Galala. Let's go. Hey. Step, 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 step. Nice one. Okay. One thing. Let me add something for you. The guala guala moves. Simple. The guala guala one. You know, when you're dancing guala guala, everybody knows that guala guala use your leg. You can even, if you are using the left side, you can even do it. So for me, I use both sides. So to make this style looks good, you just have to step, 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 step. So use your shoulder, use your leg. But only you have to do this, only one leg. The same time with your arms. Your arms have to be like this. You have to, you know, like you want to slap somebody, something like that. So you can even roll your arm. Simple. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You can hey, aya, 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 aya. See you.